Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Zelle with Chase Business Checking, quick method step by step clearly. To use Zelle with your Chase Business Checking account, start by opening the Chase mobile app on your device. Log into your business account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the menu on the home screen. Select Pay and Transfer from the options available. Look for the Zelle option and tap on it. If you haven't enrolled in Zelle yet, follow the prompts to sign up. You will need to enter your email address or mobile phone number to receive payments. After entering your information, confirm it to complete the enrollment process. If you are already enrolled, simply proceed to the next step. To send money, tap on the option to send money using Zelle. Select the recipient from your contacts or enter the amount you wish to send. You can also add a memo or note for the transaction if desired. Review the details to ensure everything is correct. Once confirmed, tap on Send to complete the transaction. You will receive a confirmation that the payment has been sent. To receive money, provide your email address or mobile number to the sender. Once they send the money, it will appear in your Chase business account. Keep in mind that Zelle transfers are typically instant. Always double-check recipient details before sending funds. Using Zelle with your Chase Business Checking account is a fast and convenient way to manage payments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.